Imperia Gold. Now get 650 plus rich shades for every kind of woodwork and furniture with just one product. Berger Imperia Gold, a 2-pack polyurethane made with superior Italian PU technology that provides a collection of 650 plus opaque or metallic shades, with most of them being internationally recognized RAL, CS or NCS shades. Its high chroma and crystal clear hues ensure beautiful colors for your woodwork. It also provides excellent scratch resistance and contains no added lead, mercury or chromium. Imperia Gold is an all-in-one PU solution for any kind of woodwork. It is meant for both interior and exterior wooden surfaces. Imperia Gold dries faster and saves time. It contains UV stabilizers that prevents yellowing on sun exposures and has silicones which repels water and prevents its entry. The top coats are antimicrobial, which removes 99.9% germs and prevents algal and fungal growth. It has plasticizers which protects the coating of wood from hairline cracking. Let's see how to apply Berger Imperia Gold. First, we need to prepare the surface. Take a 120 number sandpaper and remove any loose particles, paints, dirt, fungal, algae, moss and salt deposits. Follow it up with a 150 number sandpaper. For veneer and MDF surfaces, use 220 number sandpaper, followed by 320 number sandpaper. We recommend you to use Berger Wood Sander, which comes with variable headers and speed regulating options and is equipped with a dust collector. Now, if there are cracks, holes and dents on the surface, simply fill it with Berger Woodkeeper Filo Dent. Always choose the right color shade that matches with the color of wood. Here we see white Filo Dent being applied on MDF, as the next coating will be Imperia White Sealer or Imperia Gold White Sealer, which will mask the Filo Dent. Let it dry for 2 hours. Then dry sand it with 220 number sandpaper. Apply second coat of Filo Dent and sand it likewise. Now it's time to apply Imperia Epoxy Block Primer to prevent leaching. It also improves adhesion of coats and prevents peeling of coatings. Mix base and hardener in 1:1 ratio. Then apply a coat of the mixture by spray or by cloth, although spray is more preferred. Leave for 2 or 3 hours. Then light sand it with 220 number sandpaper. Now repeat the same process of application. Drying and light sanding with 320 number sandpaper. Next, we apply Imperia White Sealer or Imperia Gold White Sealer. Take base and hardener in 2:1 ratio and add Berger T12 PU thinner, about 30 to 50% of the base or hardener mixture. Then apply the first coat using a spray gun. Let it dry for 2 hours. Then light sand it with 220 number sandpaper. Now repeat the entire process once again. Now we have to apply tinted Imperia Gold top coat. You can select the shade of your choice from either Imperia Gold RAL K7 shade card or Imperia Gold Classic Range book. Correct tinting base needs to be selected for appropriate shade. There are 5 tinting bases: Imperia Gold Clear Gloss and Imperia Gold Clear Matte for dark and mid-tone shades, Imperia Gold White Matte and Imperia Gold White Gloss for light and pastel shades, and Imperia Gold Metallics for metallic finishes. Remember, the ratio to mix base and hardener for gloss and metallic top coat are 1:1, while that for matte finish is 2:1. Then add Berger PU-T80 thinner. Here's a quick tip. Use 30 to 50% for matte finishes and 50 to 100% for gloss finishes or metallic finishes depending on weather conditions. Finally, the top coat is ready for application. Now use a spray gun and apply the first coat. Let the surface dry for 3 to 4 hours. Then sand it properly with 400 number water paper for matte and with 600 number water paper for gloss finish. Repeat with the second coat and let it dry for another 3 to 4 hours. And friend, the job is done. With Berger Imperia Gold, give every furniture and woodwork the incredible colors and shades that it deserves.